a little much to learn, mastering, much, and little. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today we'll be diving into an interesting topic: the use of much and little in English sentences. These words are used frequently, and understanding how to use them correctly can make a big difference in your English speaking and writing skills. So, let's get started. In English, much is often used as a quantifier to indicate a large amount of something that can't be counted. For example, you can use much with uncountable nouns such as water, time, or love. Let's look at some examples. I don't have much time to finish this project. She shows much love for her pets. There isn't much water left in the bottle. Remember, much is mostly used in negative sentences and questions. For example, do you have much work left to do? I didn't spend much money on the trip. Now, let's move on to little. Little also works with uncountable nouns, but it generally indicates a small amount of something. Here are some examples. There's little hope of success. He has little patience for mistakes. I have little interest in that movie. Note that little is often used in a negative context, giving the sense that the amount is less than expected or desired. It's important to also mention the comparative and superlative forms of much and little, more, most, less, and least. They allow us to compare quantities. Let's see some examples. I need to drink more water. Comparing to the amount I usually drink. She has the most love for her pets of all the pet owners I know. Comparing to other pet owners. He has less patience than his sister. Comparing to his sister. Of all the movies I've seen, that one interests me the least. Comparing to other movies. And that wraps up our discussion on using much and little in English. We've covered a lot today, and I hope you now feel much more confident in using these words in your sentences. Remember, learning a language takes time and practice, so don't worry if you make mistakes. Just keep trying and you'll get there. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.